If you own an AirPods, please throw it away, because these AirPods I'm holding can do everything that your AirPods can do and even more. So before I start making mouth about what this thing can do, let's unbox it and see what exactly is inside this box and why you should get one. Now that you have seen all the things that these AirPods can do, is this something you want to get? I'll be making a separate video where I'll be showing you in details all the things, all the amazing things that you can do with these AirPods. This video is not sponsored, but it's because I find it amazing, and that's why I'm making this video for you.